Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall and reinstall the Mail app if you're having problems with it. And before we even do that, we're going to try some troubleshooting methods as well. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Start button and select Settings. You want to select Apps, and then you want to select Apps and Features. You can search for this as well in the search icon down your system taskbar. In the Searches Apps field, type in Mail. Best result should come back with Mail and Calendar. Go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down. So reset, if the app isn't working right, we can try and repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Go ahead and select Repair. And that little check mark means it is finished. Restart your computer and see if that has resolved the problem. If you're still having a problem, you can try and reset it, which will reset the app and the app's data will be deleted. Make sure you have your emails backed up to the cloud or a server, or just make sure that there's nothing saved locally on your computer because we're about to reset this right now. So select Reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Go ahead and select Reset. So if you had any customized settings, you're going to have to change them again once you reinstall this. So again, restart your computer, see if that has resolved the problem. And then as you came from this video, if you were trying to uninstall the app, you can just go ahead and select the uninstall button. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Select uninstall. And then that should be about it. If you actually go and click the black arrow here and you search for Mail, in the app list field, you shouldn't see the Microsoft Mail app anymore. So what we're going to do is restart our computer. And there we go, we're back in the Windows, and now we're going to open up the Microsoft Store. So either you click on the icon down in your taskbar, or you can search for it as well through the search feature. And you want to go ahead and select the search button up at the top of the Microsoft Store here. And we're going to go ahead and search for Mail. Best match should come back with Mail and Calendar. Go ahead and open that up. Should say Microsoft Corporation. Go ahead and select the Get button. You don't have to sign in, but you can if you want to. I'm going to select No Thanks. And just give it a moment. We'll take a moment to download. And now it's reinstalled on our computer, so you can go ahead and launch it, sign back in with your mail credentials, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.